Welcome students to your FTCC orientation. My name is Stephanie, and today I'll be walking you through how to access Webadvisor. Before we get started, you'll want to make sure you have your student ID and/or username available. Please go to www.faytechcc.edu to get started. From this homepage, scroll to I'm looking for, and on the drop-down menu, select Current Student Resources. On this page, we're going to scroll down and select Webadvisor. Before you can access Webadvisor, you have to first establish a password by clicking Forgot Password - Reset It. You can either choose your student ID number or your username as a way to reset your password. Here, you'll want to indicate your student ID number, your first name, last four of your social, and your birthday. Then click Submit. When you're resetting your password, please make sure you follow all of these requirements here. Once done, hit Change Password. Once your password has been changed, you'll see this prompt. Now, I'm going to show you how to log into Webadvisor by simply going back to the FTCC's main homepage at www.faytechcc.edu. Here, go to I'm looking for, click Current Student Resources, and scroll down to select Webadvisor. There's two different options for a student to log into Webadvisor, either clicking on Curriculum Students, which are students that are pursuing a degree, diploma, or certificate, or by clicking Login. Here, please populate your user ID and the password that you just made. Then click Submit. Webadvisor can help you access self-service account information about your program eval, registration, account payment and balances, and financial aid eligibility and awards. To access any of this information, you'll simply hover over any of the links here and click. When you're done in Webadvisor, always remember to log out. This will take you back to the main page. So there you have it. That's the end of your Webadvisor tutorial. If you have any further questions, please contact FTCC Admissions at 910-678-8473 or via email at admissions@faytechcc.edu, or you can stop by the Tony Rand Student Center. Thanks for joining us today, and welcome to Fayetteville Technical Community College.